were handcuffed, their
Yeah,
hands and
absolutely. We'll just get to that, Aditya. Stay on with us. The second batch of 116 Indian illegal immigrants landing in Amritsar in the C-17 aircraft have alleged that they were handcuffed and chained during the journey. So, Aditya, now take us through the details that we have. They've, of course, said that they had chains, they were handcuffed. What is the update that we have on that front? What are they saying?
well, apart from handcuffed, they were also not allowed. They weren't also given adequate food during the duration of the flight because let us just put this into perspective that this flight from US to India is one of the largest, longest distance flight that the US military aircraft had done. So one of the there were instances that they were only given and one apple to eat, and that too also within a gap of 4 hours, and even they were not adequately being given water from time to time. So this was something which the one of the deportee had narrated to Newsx. Also during while they were trying they just surrendered themselves to the border police of the US, and then they were taken to some camp where they were kept for 12 days, and they weren't asked anything as to what reasons did they leave their country, and they were immediately one night they were asked to to board the plane, and they at that time they didn't even know that they were being deported back to India. So little bit of a unfavorable conditions after the first hand narration of those one of the deportees. So this questions as to how what procedure did the US
Absolutely.
military
Aditya, stay on
follow?
with us. We have some more news coming in where deportees allege that men had